pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Middletown and Deale local and long-distance movers near me. You are so excited about moving into your own new home that you brought with you your hard work. But are you looking forward to packing dozens of boxes for the long-distance move ahead? We all have been there, and we know it is not something you want to do. Instead of packing all by yourself, hire a long-distance moving company to make the moving journey easier and simpler. 3 Men and a Truck is an insured and licensed company that offers moving services at its best. Our main focus is on customer satisfaction. In addition, we use advanced technology for your belongings and equipment, safety and security. Even if your move is just a few blocks away, you would not be able to evacuate your house by yourself. So you still need help from a professional moving company. 3 Men and a Truck focuses on ensuring a smooth and simple moving process for anyone who plans to move. A veteran, student, family, or business. We will deliver your belongings to you without any damage. In addition, our professional workers streamline the whole moving process to make it easier and faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Middletown and Deale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.